Hello, today I give you a demo about real-time object detection, tracking and adaptation. And we only use the Raspberry Pi system along with ADC software, and that's about it. And later on, if we put the camera in there and it's ready for field tests. And let me show you, here is the Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi sits right here, okay? And ADC software sits on the Raspberry Pi. And on screen, what you see in this window is a spark image, which is extract from color image of the object, the video, color video, okay? And this spark image only contains the saliency of the information in the scene. For example, in this case, we only just see this, okay? And the rest is very much close to zero. Let me select this object, okay? And let's run it. Select that, and you see in this window, that's the object we select. And let's run it. And when we run it, you see over here is the scene, the video scene with spark image in here. And the outer window is a region of interest. Inside is about the detection object, okay? And that's what it is. And if you look at the window over here is the current window, the object detection window, and here is the original selection object at the frame 1. And everything is have no knowledge before and nothing. Only just do the detection of the current object and feed information to do adaptation to look for next object, and that's about it. And it called it's like short-term memory, okay? And what you notice is very sensitive. It's tracking, its movement is tracking. It's very sensitive. It's tracking very well. What it indicates to you is if we do it for hypersonic tracking, a very high frame rate, and we can skip the frame rate, and with the sensitive tracking like this, it's able to meet the demand of the high frame rate tracking for hypersonic, for example. And that's what we want to bring up to you. And everything we done over here in the Raspberry Pi with ADC software, that's about it. And with this demo, what it can tell us is that we're very much ready to plug the camera in, and it's ready to do the field testing. That's where we are. Thank you very much for your attention.